To customize your lock screen in Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all, let's open a settings on our device. Next step is to click on personalize. Here select the wallpapers on the left, and then you can click on the lock screen. That way we'll be able to scroll down to the more lock screen options, and we can go for customize lock screen. Finally, we'll be able to adjust a few different things. First is on the bottom left and bottom right, you can find the shortcut icons for example, camera, do not disturb mode, or flashlight, or some of the apps. So let's assign camera on the left and then flashlight on the right. Next thing is these icons right here, so you can change notifications style, how your notifications will appear if you have active lock screen notifications. So we can change it to bubble, chip, or list. Then we have our clock. You can click on the clock to also customize it with 3 different options. And finally, that is basically everything that you can do for your home screen. All you have to do is go back, and here a new option will appear. You can add a city for your weather information, just accept the current location tracking. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.